spicy before.
No, I'm taking it. Got a second bite. Oh.
It'll hit you.
Is it coming yet?
You're such a retard. Oh, not too bad. I'm just so cool.
Oh, starting to burn the throat a little bit.
She is eating blazing hot wings, the hottest you can get at Quincy's Buffalo Wild Wings.
My number 3.
You're already at... Oh, God, she's joking. He's such a retard.
Sudden burn.
Holy shit. Douche.
Her eyes are getting red. They're watering. Oh, it's spicy now.
Oh, God.
Can you taste it?
She found something spicy.
Right, number 4. Second wing. Finish.
Why do you say number 4 when it's your second wing?
This is bite number 4.
Oh, okay. I thought we were on wing number 4. Oh, God, she's sweating. Are you really, or are you just doing that? Wipe your piss or something.
Yeah. Your face is like...
Holy shit.
Need a drink? Nope. Nope. No drink. Drink. Oh. All right. Working on my third wing now. All right, number 5.
You're so cool.
I can't believe it.
I put one little dip and I freaked out.
Yeah, I know.
I sketched out. It was sketchy.
I like got chills.
Sketchy.
Yeah.
She's holding back the tears. I can see it.
My eyes are watering.
Was that 2 bites in a row?
Got this big honking wing left.
Do it all in one bite.
Oh my God. You want me to?
Yes.
Big thing, one bite.
Oh my God.
You can't do that in one bite, dude. You'll choke to death.
I will choke because it's kind of big. All right.
I could handle it, because I have the experience, but...
Oh gosh.
She's chewing really fast. You're like trying to get it down. So freaking bad.
All right.
Here we go.
Last bite. Blaze it. Ready for this?
Yeah. Ooh.
Swallow.
My song. With the bottle of Jack. Leave for the night. Woo!
Oh my God.
Rachel was successful.
Did you stop it?
Yeah. Ooh, oh. Oh, no, I didn't.
So fast.
You told me I had to press it